Dear students, today computer science class. In previous class we learnt about some topics. We just to recall that a computer is made up of four types of devices. They are input devices, processing device, output devices and storage device. What is input device? We give instructions and data into the computer by using some devices. The devices are called input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, some other input devices, joystick, light pen, microphone and scanner. Today class we learnt about the processing device. A processing unit of a computer is central processing unit. The CPU is present inside the CPU box. The CPU does all the calculations of the computer. So what is the full form of CPU? Central processing unit. Central processing unit. Do you know what your brain does for you? It remembers things and takes decisions. It also does calculations and many other things. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. The computer does all its work through the CPU. Without brain, the human being did not do any works. So brain is important for our body. Like that, the CPU is very important to the computer. Without CPU, the computer don't do any works. So the CPU is brain of the computer. The CPU is brain of the computer. Here the internal view of a CPU box. Some parts are connected into the CPU box. We just read that. First one, microprocessor. It's very important one because without microprocessor the CPU don't do any works. And then RAM, SMPS, hard disk and motherboard. You learn these parts in next classes. I just say what is motherboard. Motherboard. All internal parts attached with motherboard include the CPU also attached with motherboard. Without motherboard, the CPU don't do any calculations work or some other works. So motherboard is very important for the CPU. Okay. Next, CPU has three parts. CPU has three parts. The first part is ALU. ALU full form arithmetic and logic unit. It does all the calculations. Like our calculator, in our calculator we do the max calculations only. Like that the ALU do the mathematical calculations only. ALU stand for arithmetic and logic unit. Next one, CU. It controls, CU means control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other part of computer what they should do. So computer control unit control all the things. Computer control unit control all the activities of computer. Next part is memory. It stores data and information temporarily. The memory unit store data and information temporarily. We just read that parts by using one simple video.
Central Processing Unit (CPU) is the main part of the computer. Many other parts are connected to the CPU through wires or cables. The actual processing is done within this unit only. That is why it is called the brain of the computer. In the human body, the brain has the most important role. All our actions are the result of the signals we receive from our brain. Moreover, whenever we learn a new thing, it gets sorted in our memory. We keep storing information in our memory or part of our brain. And whatever information is needed, we recall that information and act accordingly. Let us understand more about CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer, where it receives and stores information. It makes calculations and sends results to the output devices. CPU is also known as system unit. Input devices and output devices are the peripherals attached to it. Main parts of the CPU. The three main parts of the CPU are MU, ALU, CU. MU. The memory unit stores the information temporarily for making calculations. This temporary storage is made up of registers. A register is like a piece of paper for rough calculation work. If you want to store information permanently, send the output to some storage devices like CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive, etc. ALU. It is the arithmetic and logic unit that performs all calculations and logical operations. CU. The control unit manages all the operations of a computer system, all parts and peripherals of a computer system. It also controls the transfer of information from one part of the CPU to another. Working of a computer system. The three main activities of a computer system are as follows. Input. Taking input through input devices, storing in memory. Processing. The execution of data and instructions in ALU. Output. Displaying the processed data in a location depending upon program or instructions. All these activities are performed by the CPU. The control unit or CU decides when to take input from the input device. It then sends data and instructions to the memory unit or MU. When required, the data is sent to the ALU and calculations are made as told in the program. Moreover, after calculations, when and where to store the output is also decided by the CU. CPU cabinets are available in various designs, but contain the same components inside. Some important parts of CPU cabinet you need to identify are as follows. Power button. It is used to turn on the computer. Reset button. It is used to reset or restart the PC without switching off. CD or DVD drive. Normally, it has a combo drive which can be used to read or write information from and to a CD or DVD. USB port. There are two USB ports in front of the CPU cabinet and two at the back usually. Nowadays, most of the input or output devices are attached through USB ports. Pen drive is also attached with this port only. Speakers, headphones and microphone slots are given between the two USB ports.
Now we discuss about output devices. Output device shows the results of the work done by the computer. The most commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. Maximum you know about the monitor and printer because when we type a letter or a number we just see that in monitor only. And the printer help us the provide the soft copy of a output. The most commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. First, monitor. It shows the work being done by the computer. Printer. It helps you to take the output on the paper. So, we take a output by a printed copy by using the printer. Some other output devices are speaker and plotter. First, speaker. They help you to listen music and sound. So we want to hear the sounds or music means the speaker help to they. Next one, plotter. It is used to take large printout of drawing on the paper sheet. The plotter is used to print the banners, roadside signals, like the big size banners. Okay. Today we discuss about the processing device and then output devices. In next class we discuss about the storage device. Thank you.